I was opportune to be in a burial I went for. A well-known politician, Nili Mamia, Mampafunya. We all was at the VIP section under the tent. Ewe who the politician, non Enugu or PDP or APC, Apo Gaiga Fuhana, that under the tent there. So I know we was like talking, discussing. One of the politicians, we say, and he's a senator. And no na Father Mbaka issue one in no for any politician na Adoration. Na ewe one political party say na haga Abia Adoration na Adoration ka haga ano we me their rally ko gene ko their campaign. No need ha. No for anybody about that he issued a strong warning. No way any politician actually wait to kuya ni ma Adoration. Yes. Man obi anwure mbubu na. Ano me ba ha sawo mu okwu ahụ. We draw as na Bible we si akwon so we kwuo se I ga no gide na mmehie ka amara megene ka amara bara ayo oba. Father Mbaka has his best reasons of doing what? Saying that politicians or ya or how aka Father Mbaka puta haga kacha wo Father Mbaka no haga kacha ba Father Mbaka attack haga kacha jail Father Mbaka ijojo haga kacha me one or two negative things against Father Mbaka. By the end of the day they will still look for the man, choro the man obia. One man waiting on that you could say politicians Father Mbaka make go. Moko politicians Father Mbaka raise go. Moko politicians say we pogide. We see ke maka Valentine na edozie. Na Valentine na edozie meche soro mo ne ko wota. We attack wa fight wa Father Mbaka. Ko Victor me Senator Victor me, ko late Senator Ifa Yoba, ko Chris Ngige. Ko former governor Obiano, ko Chukwuma Soludo, the present governor of Anambra State now. Ko Jim Nwobodo, the governor of Old Anambra State. Ko Sullivan Chime, former governor of Enugu State. Ko Ifa Yugwa, past immediate governor of Enugu State. Ko this present governor, Barrister Peter Ndubin Simba, mention one minister, senators, Dora Akunyere, in his own time, Frank Nweke Jr. Senanda ni nebo empty promise that they that doing demand the more you look the less you see. Ko Jozo Kalo anu efulu ari owia. Ko tio de oje. Ko ekezi bazu. Mention them. Ke orocha so korocha. Ke dinde Father Mbaka na ebere aka. Ko ogorocha so korocha. Bamunde Father Mbaka na yere aka. Ko hope uzo de mma na akpari owia ya ona akpari owia keta. So he has his reasons. It's not all politicians. Again, Adoration. I remember the days. Obiano, Newe Shu, he got second tenor. He came in Adoration. He laid his hands not Adoration. Noreba, Father Mbaka say Kwemkwa projects. Projects he got Aruchuku Adoration. The man said no more win go to the election. It happened before me. Ko hope uzo demba bia kwasaka na altar Adoration we kwemkwa. Kwenkwa efurefu, kwenkwa onye iberibe by the end of the day, okwa rubbish. Korocha Father Mbaka single-handedly may govern Imo States. Omeche, yo owetewe at the return, yo bewazi at the return was insult. Let me tell you, okoro, ada anahamire onye mare otese ji etofe. In all these things needed, for instance, Ojo Zokano and attack Agba, now the state now attack the present governor. Now attack the present governor. No worry honor, now the governor had a because of Gene. Nibdakuteru the governor say a source or the vote, which is Yari Gerugi election or Segemba. Kon Kebu Deputy Speaker of House of Representative. Here and Ademe. Kedim Abia State Furi Homa last na government Abia State. And this case of Doris or Galaka or Gene that is turning the truth upside down. I am not surprised at you because Ejike Chris Okafono, things you are saying, things you are doing. You put on a social media, me porn say that no, you Jozo Kalorocha. You Jozo Kalorocha can let Soti ne benefit from. How? Don't you see that na Fox Road, Abaro, Adagiaga? Can't you see how dirty the environment Abia State Aba in question? Then, oh God, Jozo Kanonachi, go get your dodginachi, go get the Bazunachi. Bring the videos of the pictures of where their tenor and bring the video of ALA-IGBO now. Father Mbaka, you people are bothered about. And no, you want not for any political office holder or any politician adoration. Father Mbaka is Father Mbaka for all. Father Mbaka that doesn't discriminate. Father Mbaka that does not belong to any political party. As far as need a more former. As far as need a more for Mbaka Gaseki Gabani Yiru, Jisi Kenny Hineme, move ahead and forge ahead. He only the buka, he we a corner agaga. Father Mbaka, today, can't you see how he's praising the governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba? At least the case of insecurity, the speed now when you in Enugu State. If you watch him on 31st night, talk about the security outfit Enugu State, and I watch movement in Enugu State in day in night. Plate number motor Enugu pu Enugu. I capture plate number. I'm a motor. There was a case of kidnapping na December time anwa. I suspect by the end of the day there was no kidnappers. A word of 4 years singing acho. None other Christmas, none another Christmas. Nenugua. Now, in all these things, you know, for a bucket to Lubo, no, he have be horchor. If you not go in no Kuria, Obgodino Kuria, Obgodina for Mbaka Kuria, all these governors, Menugumimo, Manambara, Abia me Ebonyi, Asina Abia Adoration, na he were for projects. Adoration cannot be this way. Okay, I am on Wegi, but I am not tafufu. We and the rest of them, David Omahi. Yes. Farambaka has every reason. He's not any politician whatsoever. He has a reason to say that because who they make it up with you on or Jozo Kanu today. Let me come back to the case of Jozo Kanu. Oga, Apo Jozo Kanu Kobia Koto. Ochiya. Government APC akwao. Ochiya. Tuoyanga. Oh, Farambaka begidere pe Jozo Kanu. Kugide kwa Jozo Kanu. Kugide kwa Jozo Kanu nto Jozo Kanu sinanga pota. Jonomu na Jozo Kanu atodugu kuna adoration. O topunu gonu. O no underground. Na agbaso onye grace ya buru ya buputi ya n'ime trouble because the agenda was to yanga. O no na nga ahụ akọ akụkọ n'isi ya. Kedi politician ga-agbam today no benefit or ministers. Okay, down no benefit be here from Father Mbaka. So he has every right. Ojuzo Kanu na condemn mmadụ maka ALA-IGBO ka ogene. Tell me how your governance and how your government was far better than that of ALA-IGBO. Kedonye question, I heard you on a national television where you are talking nonsense. That na allocation governor 2 weeks ago, allocation 8 months. During your own time, can you go in the Abia State me? And Dolis or Gala that allowed herself to be used by devil and supporting you in what way? Ego neki inye ya. Ego neki inye Dolis or Gala. Ego neki inye Dolis or Gala. Ka ogene ki ana abia. HM by now. Oh, so you chokwarime again during this time of election and era and campaign 2026 about 2027. Une orubeju adoration. Kwen kwashi. How many politicians sir for Mbaka forgive you? Aka hade. Ne short adoration down. Aka hade. Ne send the for Mbaka monastery. Most of them that hade ni yakita ya ezigbo ahu. Agarisha aga o. Agarisinda aga. So if Father Mbaka is angry that he doesn't want any politician because he wants to be on his own, okuo na sino okuo or baron the unu abon the politicians mba Una de met off, una da chit off, man. Nigeria be economy. Nigeria as a nation that has a good economy that was learning even Malaysia, even Dubai, and the rest of the country. Now Nigeria is now indebted to them, and Nigeria go carry on down. What will this nation? What will this nation boast of? What can our leaders boast of doing? Because no one can mad in a eziokwu. Because no one can mad na you change ye. Unu wete hand you nchonakia. Unu acho fa akoko kwasi n'isi ya. Yes, obu maka Fada Mbaka ekwurekwu. No choho any political office holder or choho any politician ebia na adoration. No chokwe ifo unu n'anya. Or chokwe janya fo. Muhammad Abia phone here the stop phone. Yes, he said it. He has a reason for saying that. If you people will turn away from your wicked ways and seek the face of God, Jehovah will heal your land. Because through him, Holy Spirit has been issuing a warning against you people. That you people should wake up. That the way you people are managing the economy of this nation, it is not helping matters. No good refinery, no good employment, no good factory, no good industry. But you people are warming up for election 2027. Just like Peter Obi, as I am rounding up. Peter Obi as a person today. So if Fada Mbaka issues a warning that he doesn't want to see any politicians again in his arena or his vicinity or his house, he's very 100% correct, and he knows what he's saying. So